Look at this fighter walking into that cage. No fear. No hesitation. Pure locked-in focus. You know what separates him from the guy who got knocked out. It was never the fists. It was never the technique. It was the mind. It has always been the mind. And right now, your mind is losing every single fight. Here is the truth nobody is going to post on your Instagram feed. You are soft. And you know it. Not physically. Mentally. You quit on yourself every single morning before you even step out of bed. You choose the comfortable option. The easy scroll. The extra hour of sleep. The excuse. This man is bleeding. Jaw ringing. Every muscle screaming at him to fall. But his mind says, not yet. Meanwhile you are sitting there. Safe. Warm. Not bleeding. Not suffering. And you are still choosing to give up. On the gym. On the goal. On yourself. You want to talk about pain? That fighter's pain is physical. It passes. The pain of never becoming who you were supposed to be, that one never heals. Law 1. Your brain is lying to you. Every time you think, I will start tomorrow, that is your brain pulling the same trick it has pulled 10,000 times. It is not protecting you. It is trapping you. The discomfort you feel before doing hard things, that is growth knocking on your door. Stop turning it away. Law 2. Kill the word motivated. No elite fighter woke up at 5 a.m. because they felt like it. They woke up because they built a system so strong, the choice was already made the night before. You do not need to feel ready. You need to move. Feelings follow action. Never the other way around. Law 3. You are not trying to build habits. You are trying to build an identity. That fighter does not think, I should probably train today. He thinks, I am a fighter. This is what I do. That shift in how you see yourself changes every decision automatically. Stop saying you are trying to get disciplined. Decide you are disciplined. Then let your actions prove it. That. Right there. That moment did not happen in the octagon. It happened 6 months ago at 5 a.m. when he chose to train instead of sleep. It happened when he lost a sparring session and came back the next day anyway. It happened in every silent, ugly, unposted moment of grinding when nobody was watching. That is what a trained mind produces. And listen to me, you are sitting on the same potential. Every single one of you watching this. The difference between the life you have and the life you want is entirely mental. It is how you respond to difficulty. Whether you run toward resistance or away from it. Nobody is coming to save you. No motivation video. No alarm clock. No new year. Just YOU. Making the call. Right now. Here is your assignment. Not tomorrow. Not Monday. Right now. Pick the one thing you have been avoiding. The one thing you already know you should be doing. Write it down. Set a timer for 25 minutes. Start. That is it. One round. You are training your mind the same way a fighter trains their body, 1 rep at a time, every single day. Drop in the comments, what is the one thing you are starting today? Not writing I will try. Write exactly what it is. Make it real. Make it public. Hold yourself to it. If this hit you, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Subscribe. Because every week we come back in here and we fight. For the life we deserve. Train your mind. Win your life.